Connecting Robinhood to Phantom Wallet is a straightforward process that enables users to transfer cryptocurrency from their Robinhood account to their Phantom Wallet. To begin, ensure you have a Robinhood account and a Phantom Wallet set up. First, open your Phantom Wallet and navigate to the Settings menu, where you will find the option to add a new account. Select this option and choose the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer from Robinhood. Next, go to your Robinhood account and navigate to the cryptocurrency section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on the transfer option. You will be prompted to enter the wallet address where you want to transfer the cryptocurrency. Here, you need to copy the wallet address from your Phantom Wallet and paste it into the Robinhood transfer page. Ensure the address is correct, as any mistake can result in the loss of your cryptocurrency. After entering the wallet address, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. The transfer may take some time to complete, depending on the network congestion and the cryptocurrency you are transferring. It is essential to note that Robinhood has certain restrictions on cryptocurrency transfers, such as minimum transfer amounts and network fees. Ensure you understand these restrictions before initiating the transfer. Additionally, always double-check the wallet address and the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer to avoid any errors. It is also crucial to keep your Phantom Wallet and Robinhood account secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can easily connect your Robinhood account to your Phantom Wallet and start transferring cryptocurrency. Remember to always prioritize security and accuracy when handling cryptocurrency transactions.